What's up, unboxing fans? Right now we're walking to the airport because we're gonna go to Hawaii.
Wait, dude, are you vlogging?
Yeah. So right now we're on the plane, and what do you think, Andy?
It's not in public.
Right now we are gonna be taste testing some shrimp.
Yeah.
It's hot and spicy shrimp.
I ordered mine and it cost $10. Wait a minute, animation, it cost $18 like, to get like.
That's spicy.
That's pretty spicy.
We got some Hawaiian Slurpees from 7-Eleven. If you're thinking, you're in Hawaii, why the heck are you going to 7-Eleven? The quick answer is because we don't got no 7-Eleven back in Idaho. And this is that hog flavor, the passion fruit, orange, and guava.
Yeah. And
Tastes like fog and pineapple.
yeah.
Right now you're getting exclusive first-person footage of a canoe ride. Doesn't this feel real? So right now we're at the Polynesian Cultural Center.
Yeah.
And we're in the Samoa exhibit, village or whatever you call it. And
We made these fish.
we did these
Okay.
fishing rod toys. You like that?
And now it's like a fish.
And now you like caught the fish. It's so cool. This place is awesome.
Yeah.
You get to watch so many cool shows and learn about the culture. It's cool. If you ever come to Oahu, gotta check it out. Gotta check it out. So right now we are at the Dole Plantation, and this is Pineapple Topia. You got pineapple candies and stuff like that. You got pineapple merch, and even real pineapples. And so right now we're been tasting
Dole
Whip, which is pineapple flavored ice cream. We're gonna taste it now. Oh, I like that because it's like creamy like ice cream, but pineapple flavored and pineapple. Right now we are hiking through a jungle. It's pretty cool. Got all these cool trees. Got a vine. I'm gonna swing on it. Woo! Look at that. Those are like tree veins. Look at this burger I got. How are you even supposed to eat this? Normal burger? This burger. Now we are going to be taste testing Spam jalapeno.
Oh, yeah.
Because Hawaiians love their Spam. Spam right there with our eggs.
Yeah.
I'm taste testing it.
I'm just gonna bite.
I quite like that. I mean,
Definitely
it's better than normal Spam because
Definitely.
the jalapeno adds more flavor. And I think that like Spam gets like a bad rap for being gross, but it's actually pretty good.
Not that bad.
And now we're gonna be taste testing Pog, which is a Hawaiian juice with passion fruit, orange, and guava.
Cheers.
Like that.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's tropical juice. It's like if you had orange juice, but then you also added passion fruit and guava juice to that.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
It's really good. You should check it out if you ever have the chance to. They should have this at every store. We are on our way back home on the airport, and we did so much fun stuff. We tasted a lot of food.
Yeah,
we went hiking. We went swimming a lot. We went cliff jumping. It was really fun. And that's all for us. Please like and subscribe. Aloha.